2K warm-up done, and now I'm gonna do some strides, probably about 50-60 meter strides. Get myself activated, and we'll be good to go for the main set.
All right. Okay people, hello and welcome to this new episode today here, this athletic episode that we are sharing with Tenchi. Say hello.
Hey guys, we're here today at the North Toronto Collegiate 400 meter track. Always busy, but I'm planning to do my speed workout here. So today's speed workout is going to be 4 1K tempo pace, and then I get 500 meter recovery around the track, and then I go at it. So obviously I have lots of excuses because I already did my virtual half marathon this past Saturday, so almost a week removed. So if I don't do well, that's my excuse. But my legs feel good. I just put on the Amp Human PR lotion. So my legs should feel good, and yeah, really excited to. Yeah, we're excited to see what my speed is after my virtual half.
And this is the first time, the first of many that we're gonna be doing together, and we hope to bring all of you to this journey.
Let's go.
Okay, and so Tenchi is right now doing one more stride, and yeah, it's we're learning. It's a new adventure here.
That's not good.
Yeah,
It's great.
yeah.
All warmed up. Did my warm-up, 2K warm-up, activation drills. So I'm good to go. So I'm gonna be doing 4 1K tempo intervals, and then 500 meter recovery. So I'm gonna start from the track start, and then I should end by the goalpost over there. That should be 1K around the track, 2.5 laps. And yeah, so when it comes to speed workout, I definitely need to work on my pacing. So definitely, I want to make sure that the first one is slow, the second interval is a bit faster than the first, and then so forth and so forth, because I'm really bad at going out too fast. So hopefully I could fix that, look good in front of the cameras, and pace myself with decent split times. So we'll see. Workout on my Garmin.
Okay, and so right now we are gonna wait for $3.44 per K. I may have gone a little too fast,
so much for practicing what I preach. So I'm gonna have my 500-meter recovery and then start over at the starting block there. Woo. Woo.
So, how are you feeling, man?
Oh, it's tough, especially because this week it's been all rainy and gloomy, and like it was like 10 degrees.
In the morning,
And then today it just shoots up all the way to what, 27. So the hume index is like what, 30 now. I mean the wind is cool, but it's just so hot. I'm just sweating. Right
So
now.
the man has finished his workout. How do you feel, man?
Thanks for calling me the man. Oh, it was tough. It was tough because I'm still tired from the virtual half marathon that I did for the World Athletics, sponsored by ASICS, on Saturday. So I'm still tired from that. And then I did a speed workout again on Tuesday, right? So I was just a bit tired, but sometimes it's good to work out, do some intervals on tired legs. It's gonna really prepare you for Ironman and half Ironman. So yeah, just trying to squeeze in as much decent speed workouts at this track as possible before I head back to Phoenix, Arizona on 16th of November. So I'll be doing my off-season training back in Arizona. So no more snow. Bye Toronto.
Man, you're avoiding the snow?
Yeah, avoiding the snow, yeah. I'm not a Canadian anymore. So I'm not hardcore Canadian anymore. So. Woo.
Okay, people, and so yeah, I think right now we're just gonna do some basic stretching and so keep following up.
So now that I'm close to 40, I definitely need to do a post-workout stretch. Definitely do yoga as well, so keep my muscles supple, injury-free. So don't get lazy, or you'll get injured.
Okay, people, and so the training has come to an end, and I have to say it has been a pleasure working alongside Tenchi.
So no, thank you, Louis and Lenka.
For sure, Lenka comes next. Thank you, Lenka, for being part of the team as well.
Yes, thank you.
Only show the good side, my good side.
And just stay tuned for the next adventure.